Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Tesla Paint Chip Easy method. Start by assessing chip depth and taking clear photos for reference. Gather color-match touch-up paint, a fine brush, micro sandpaper, and clear coat. Work in shade with temperatures between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit for best adhesion. Keep repairs small and patient, applying thin layers and allowing full drying time between coats for a seamless finish. In this video, I will explain how to fix Tesla Paint Chip Easy method. Next, prep the chip area by cleaning with soap and 70% isopropyl alcohol, then dry with a microfiber cloth. If edges are raised, very lightly sand with 1,500 to 2,000 grit to feather the paint, but avoid oversanding. Apply a thin primer if metal is exposed, letting it cure fully before starting touch-up paint to prevent future corrosion. In this video, I will explain how to fix Tesla Paint Chip Easy method. Carefully apply the matched paint with a fine brush, building color slowly with thin coats and allowing full drying between layers. Once filled and even with the surface, apply a clear coat to protect the repair and match gloss. After curing, wet sand very lightly if needed and polish to blend edges. Finish with wax for protection and a uniform sheen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.